Hello guys, this is Aslam and you are watching our YouTube channel English with Aslam. Today I am going to tell you about some application which is going to help you to improve your English communication skill, and also I will tell you about some method which is help to improve your English communication skill, because many viewers asked me, sir, which application do you use to improve your English communication skill, which method do you apply to enhance your English communication skill. So today just I am going to tell you about some applications. So without wasting your time, I tell you about one application. It is called CV application. Guys, really it's a really fantastic, it's a really amazing application, because if you download this application give you a 20 to 30 minute per day free of cost. You don't need to pay any amount to use this application. And if you download this application and try to connect to strangers, you will get like intermediate level student with whom you can practice every day daily basis. And after 6 months or 7 months, you will see that you will be speaking fluently English speaking. So just download this application and start to speak through this application, and try to more and more as much as possible through this application. Definitely it's a really useful application. And if I talk about a second application, it's my favorite application which I use every day, you can say which I use daily basis. It is called House Club, because through this application you can connect to foreign people, because many people are curious to talk to foreign people. Many people want to talk to foreign people. So if you are curious, if you want to talk to foreign people, you can use this application. You can download on your phone and you can use daily basis. And also in this application there is one facility, then you can group discuss with a phone or people, so it's a really amazing, it's really fantastic. And it's a totally free. You can use 24-hour totally free. You don't need to pay any amount, just free of course. This application is totally free of course, so please download this application and use daily basis, brother. And second thing is like I'm going to share with you that method, which method also I did apply when I was used to like learn English language. That time I used to also apply this method. So if you use this method, if you apply this tactic, definitely make sure that you are going to become a good speaker within few months. So first you have to watch conversation video. I'm not talking about high level or advanced level conversation video. If you are a beginner, if you are intermediate, you need to watch like normal conversation video where two people talk to each other. So that type of video you can watch, because if you watch advanced level English conversation video, I think so it is not going to help you to improve your English communication skill, because you are a beginner, you are intermediate. So just you need to watch normal conversation video. And you can do one thing while watching video. Just suppose if you watch any video and you got a new sentence, just write down this sentence and you repeat 10 or 20 times, okay? And just every day you have to write down 5 and 10 sentence. If you watch any video, just try to write down 5 and 10 sentence every day and repeat 10 time 20 time. After 6 months you will see that you will have lot of collection of sentence to speaking. So this method is going to help you, brother. So please, if you watch any video and if you get a new sentence, just write down this sentence and repeat 10 and 20 times. After 6 months, definitely you will have a lot of collection of sentences to speaking, brother. So this method is really helpful to speak English language. And third thing is you have to read book. If you read book, you will get three benefit. Suppose if you read book, you will get some vocabulary, some sentence, some structure. Second is that if you read any book, your mouth muscle will be ready to speaking. And third is if you read any book, your pronunciation will be correct, if you read any book. So just try to read a book, brother. But I want to say something like if you want to success, if you want to like a good speaker within 2 months or 3 months, it's not possible, because it's not like a course like computer course which you learn 6 months and you will be able to operate computer. It's a language, so it will take time. So first of all, you have to see that you are a student or you are job holder, because I can say, brother, I am a job holder and I don't get more time to practice. Just I practice only 30 minutes, 1 hour every day. So if you are a job holder, then I think so it will take time 1 year or 2 years. So like if you are ready to give 2 years, then you can start your English journey. Otherwise, let it be. But if you are a student, if you have a lot of time to practice, You can practice 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours every day. Make sure that you are going to become a fluent speaker within 6 months or 7 months. So it's up to you, brother, that how many time do you give to learn English language. Suppose if you practice only 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or like 45 minutes, then you think that I will become a good speaker within 6 months or 7 months. So it can't be possible. It is not going to happen, brother. If you like give every day, if you give every day 5 hours, 6 hours, then I can say, yeah, you are going to become a good speaker within 6 or 7 months. So it's up to you that how many time, how many hour do you give to learn English language. So if you apply this method, if you use this application, make sure that you are going to become a good speaker